village panchayat of Kalangut and Kandolim have done a great job by sending grocery to the people's house in the first 10 days of the lockdown period. Initially, the grocery shops and supermarkets were closed because there was a panic buy. People were just rushing and falling one on top of the other. The very purpose of lockdown was social distancing, to stay away from the grocery shops, from the supermarket, stay in their house. From the family, only one member should go and purchase whatever he wants for the next 1 week. Should not go with the kids and especially small children. Elders who are above 50 years old, they should not go, or 55 years and above should not go and send their children to do the shopping. Whoever doesn't have children, tell your neighbor, tell the volunteer, they will go and shop for you. लोकांक ट्राय केले आमी हेल्प करपाक. सगळे लोकांक हेल्प करूंक पावोंक ना, पूण जाता तितले लोकांक तरी हेल्प केले आनी लोकांनी बरें कोऑपरेशन केल्लें आहा. लोकांनी बरी कळ सोंसलेली आहा. जेवणाची तांकां त्रास जाले, भाजयेचे पासून त्रास जाले. थोडे लोकांनी बाजार व्हरोंक नासले, तांकां बाजार नासलो घरान. म्हाका कितकेच मॅसेजी येयले, आमी तांकां बाजार तेंच्या घरा पासून व्हरोन पावयल्लो आहा. आनी आनेकदां हांव सगळे लोकांक कोऑपरेट केल्या म्हणून हाफ द टायम जाल्लो आहा ऑफ द लॉकडावन. लोकांनी भायर सरचें न्हू. लॉकडावन पिरियड इज स्टील गोईंग ऑन अप टू 14. प्लीज डू obey this order, and it is not an order, it is for your own self and for the betterment of Goa and India.